It's Monday, November 18th, 2024. It's 8:37 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and I'll return once the market opens and I see a possible trade. I have an order in on SINT. I'm in the trade. I have 90 shares at 323. See if we can get a little piece of this. Turning into a struggle right off the bat. Profit and loss is down here. Trying to pull itself back up a little bit. Need some buyers to come in. Buyers are currently in control of this candle. Sellers now in control, kind of back and forth. And I'm finally out. Let's go look at the damage. All right, negative 43, probably the worst trade I've made since I can remember. I ended up turning this into basically a day trade. I held this for 2 hours and 3 minutes. The very next candle after I entered, it started falling, and then it went sideways a little bit. I thought it was just going to consolidate and come back because it did have good news on it. But holding and hoping, which is what I basically did here, rarely works out, and I paid the price for that. So this was just a dumb, stupid trade on my part. However, I will say I'm still positive for the month, about $40. But I gave half of my gains away just on this stupid trade here. So I want to show the bad with the good, and this was definitely about as bad as I can do. So plenty of time left in the month to turn things around, get things back on track. So let's trade again tomorrow and see if we can do a little bit better. Thanks a lot for watching.